All right, Shrimp Scampi Gambino-Style. All right, clean peeled and deveined jumbo shrimp. We put them in a baking pan, olive oil underneath. All right, we're browning some garlic in butter and olive oil. And with some hot sauce. Oh yeah. Shot of white wine. Panko breadcrumbs. All right, parsley, salt, pepper, and we mix it up really good. Spoon it right over the shrimp into the oven, 400, 12 minutes. Seafood, so we got a nice chilled Sauvignon Blanc ready to go. Scampi alla Gambino is ready. Huh. Wow. If you like what we're doing, hit subscribe. Please join our family. Salud.